Yes, I got a PS4 game. This one I remember I was told by JD Biniegas and Kuya MA Viray that I got a PS4 game. Actually, I didn't say that. I just wanna say thanks to everyone who received that Christmas gift when we were going to Nagoya, Japan. Because my friend JD Biniegas asked me, um, he chatted me in Facebook, JD Biniegas, last month. I bought a PS4 game, Ghost of Tsushima. When he said to me, "Oh, I will buy a PS4 game, Ghost of Tsushima." At least, thank God, I just talked with the Kuya M.A. Viray about the PS4 game. And after we just visited in Shirakawa-go and Takayama, and then I got a PS4 game, Ghost of Tsushima. Luckily, I got my own PS4 game. That's centenary because I'm acting like, I'm acting like J.M. Bansisho. Buying a clothes in GU. Oh, me, I'm acting the another J.M. Bansisho. I'm buying PS4 games just like JD Biniegas. Yeah, because JD Biniegas is asking me because if I buy Ghost of Tsushima, the PS4 game, after we visit Takayama and Shirakawa-go, it is not a shooting game because it is really a Endo era because JD Biniegas and Kuya M.A. Viray, our tour guide in Japan, a few weeks ago, I bought this Ghost of Tsushima, and that is itinerary. Oh, and this one I got. I thought in during the time we visited there in Mitsui outlet. I didn't buy clothes. I buy a hat. Because I didn't buy a shoes. I didn't buy a hat. And never mind. I'm just buying my hat anyway. Because I just earning another PS4 game in next year. That Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 and Gran Turismo 7. And don't worry, next year I will visit in Japan again in spring. We will still meet Kuya M.A. Viray, our tour guide in Osaka and Nagoya, Japan, because I saw his TikTok. I already know it. Because thanks to him, that our tour guide gave me this. When we visited the shops in Nagoya, after Takayama, in Japan, after Shirakawa-go, I got a PS4 game. And thanks to JD Biniegas and my dude for giving me this PS4 game. At least that is itinerary.